Om Swastiastu, greeting healthy for all of us. My name is Putu Gede Sukarata from Bali State of Polytechnic, teaching staff in Electrical Engineering Department, Program Studi D3 Manajemen Informatika. The title of our research is the Counseling System Rectors for Bali State of Polytechnic students. And our teams are Mi Putu Gede Sukarata, I Gede Suputra Widarma, I Gede Nyoman Sangke, Imade Aryasa Wiryawan, Gusti Ketut Abosana, and Iwayan Chandra Winetra. For introduction, today's technological advancements are very rapid and cover all disciplines, especially in computer technology. Computer use everyday life cannot be spared with a lifestyle. Almost every activity of work carried out is greatly helped by the existence of computer. Technological progress always aim to help human life more better, comfortable, or easier. But there are still many people who still have not used technology. For example, the close to our lives, namely digital technology. In the development of communication and interaction between student lectures, many of the media include lookalikes, WhatsApp, Line, or others media. Toward the beginning of the field of fieldworks, students have interacted a lot with lectures for submission as final assignment lectures. There are many obstacles in the case of submission as a supervisor, so that students seem to scramble to become a student guidance. A lot of time wasted to interact the determination of the final assignment lectures. So that researchers have an idea to create a system of recording students as a guidance students, and at the same time for the personal achieving of each lectures and management, so that it can be used as a material for making a decision to guide students. For problem, how to record the student data as a prospective students guidance to end easily, and it is not difficult to look for it, and what application are used to record data on prospective students of the final assignment guidance. The aim of this research is we can accelerate the process of recording the data of guidance students, resulting in information on students who are guided and know the process of recording hours of guidance at the time without time constraints. The benefits are for academics, making this research to be a reference in conducting further research on the recording of students at student guidance. For the community, this study contributes to the ease of parents and students in seeking their child's information as student of the final test guidance optimally. For institution, in facilitate the process of archive advance in the form of digital documents as a material for making decision to guide the final assessment of students. On the roadmap, it was seen from years to years still using paper in the form of a submission form of willingness to become a supervisor, especially in the beginning of 2021. There was a problem with the division of the supervisor. This research will also be referenced to the web programming course. At Fishbone, the variables that are making problems are method, man, material, and machine. The effect of this study is the basic material for making lectures as a supervisor. For state of the art are: first, previously research that has been done is a guidance and counseling information system at MTS Miftahul Arifin by using PHP and MySQL. In this research content the process of guidance to students by counseling teachers. Second, other studies are web-based counseling information system. On case study Mojo Agung 1 State Vocational School, which concern record of violence carried out by students then coach to increase their disciplines. Third, research designing web-based counseling application system at the MA Al Mustafa Mojokerto contain the formation of the character of student through counseling. For research method, the concept of our research that can be explained by the following steps. 1. Prepare a digital guiding form of guidance that is inserted on the master system. 2. The data input will be stored in the system database. 3. Using the PHP programming language as a file process to produce digital documents that will be a material for making decision. 4. Files in the form of digital documents produce information for students and lecturers. The research procedures: 1. Install system on computer with various versions such as Windows XP system, Windows Vista system, and Windows 7 system, and several other applications such as Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft PowerPoint, graphic applications such as Adobe Photoshop, CorelDRAW, Macromedia Flash, Macromedia Dreamweaver. 2. The implementation of this PHP programming language is used in localhost first with various browsers such as Windows Explorer, Google Chrome, and Mozilla Firefox. 3. Do the processing process on localhost. After going well, then publish to hosting and domain server. 4. Measuring lectures data and student data in the upload conditions. 5. Comparing the result of data processing in localhost with data in the hosting. Result and discussion. The data narrowed in this study using is text format with varchar data type for student names and the name of lectures, as well as integer data type for name students and NIDN lectures, and the maximum number of students guided by lectures. The features in this system are home button, dashboard students, and dashboard letters. On the homepage in looks of the welcome user. In the student menu, it appears that student data that has been registered and has a lecture. There is also a checklist to see the lectures with the remaining quota. On conclusion, for the research we have done, it can be concluded that by provide maximum limits to guide students in each lectures will make students no longer scramble in choosing the lectures as a supervisor. As a control of the system, students who first contact the lectures to become the supervisor of the final assignment and receive approval. The student will get a quota from the lectures. By using the Laravel framework, the website display will be simple and more accessible. That's presentation of our research. Thank you. Om Santi 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 Om.